just going to do a quick unboxing of the UGG Bluetooth Earmuffs. I picked these up as a gift for my wife so she can listen to some podcasts while walking in the winter. So it's just a simple box. Oops. And it just opens right up. And there they are. So it comes with the earmuffs, the charger, and the instructions. So we can give these a quick test and let you know what they sound like. So I've given them a quick listen, and clearly they're not performance speakers, but I don't think anybody's buying these for the sound. They're comfortable earmuffs, and it is great to not have to take off your gloves in order to answer phone calls, especially if you're all bundled up for the winter. One quick note is that they are mono speakers as well, so it doesn't matter which way your headphones are on. It's going to be the same either way. However, the button is on this side, so there's the logo, and the button to turn them on is going to be in there. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the UGG Bluetooth Earmuffs. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.